Not everyone likes to carry a larger device while they are on the move, and instead, they prefer a compact yet powerful device to get the job done while being on the go. This is where Apple came up with its smallest iPad that delivers substantial benefits for the user. Since the iPad mini was first introduced in 2012, we are hoping for a newer generation of iPad mini to celebrate its 10-year anniversary. Some people have already started to talk about it, so let's see what they are talking about. In terms of design, the upcoming iPad mini is expected to come with a similar design to the iPad Pro. Rumors even suggest it might feature the same naming scheme, iPad mini Pro. Anyway, we don't think that the screen size will change, so it will remain at 8.3 inch. But we expect new screen technology to adopt 120Hz refresh rate. That means the iPad mini might offer ProMotion for ultra-smooth scrolling that's only available in Apple's Pro model devices. Not only that, this will fix the issue of jelly scrolling that some users have complained about, which is a pretty common problem on LCD displays. However, according to Ross Young, we might not see the ProMotion anytime soon. And he also mentioned that the current ASI LCD is not compatible with the ProMotion, so for that, Apple needs to use an oxide LCD in the upcoming iPad mini. In addition, we might see it in some new colors. So, if the iPad mini comes with a Pro tag, we might get the Pro features as well, including dual camera, LiDAR scanner, Face ID, and M1 or even an M2 chipset. Though Apple might tune down the chipset core to get a perfect match with other technologies. However, we are expecting another chipset in the upcoming iPad mini, which is Bionic A16 that we got in the iPhone 14 Pro. But that will not have the same CPU and GPU performance. About the storage, as you know, the iPad mini 6th generation starts from 64GB and the highest storage you will get is 256GB. So this time, we're expecting 128GB entry level of storage, and moving up to 512GB would be logical. As we're expecting some Pro features in the upcoming iPad mini, so improved battery life is something we all can appreciate. No matter what we say, Apple will find something to stick with for 10 hours of battery life. Now, when will we see the new upcoming iPad mini? Well, there's no such news about it yet, but we can assume it might get released in the month of September 2023, so why not this year? If you go back in time, you'll notice all 4th, 5th, and 6th generation were released in September, and we are in the month of November, so that rings a bell. Also, they don't release this product every year. Now, how much will it cost? Well, the iPad mini 6th generation is available for $499, but the upcoming iPad mini might cost you more due to having so many new features. Our guess is it might start from $599, and we know this seems expensive for a mini device. In short, with great specs and performance, the iPad mini 6th generation was an amazing deal straight out of the box. And the upcoming iPad mini is expected to come with additional improved features including ProMotion, upgraded chipset, and more storage. Though for that, you might have to pay more. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.